Hello, my name is Faith.
And my name's Amy, and we're demonstrating a chemical reaction that occurs when we mix glycerin and polyisocyanate to make polyurethane foam.
Before we start this experiment, we have to make sure we have the correct safety wear. Our safety goggles and our disposable gloves. Because this foam contains material that can be very irritant to our skin and eyes, so we have to be very careful.
For this experiment, we need an aluminum tray, foam cups, mixing rods, a graduated cylinder, and food coloring.
And we can't forget our two mixtures.
Polyurethane is made out of a two-part liquid mixture that is used when mixed in equal amounts, can be used to make for testing objects.
We're first gonna make our foam mushroom. So we need 10 milliliters of polyurethane foam, part A, and 10 milliliters of polyurethane foam, part B. So you get our graduated cylinders and pour the mixture in. I may have poured a little bit too much, but it's okay because mistakes happen. So this is 10. So we're going to now mix the two inside of our cups. Make sure we get everything in there so we don't mess up the experiment. And then we're gonna add only 3 drops of food coloring, because if we add any more than that, we may mess up the experiment. And Annie will now stir it in thoroughly until we see the food coloring uniform in color. We are now using green dye.
I've now mixed the two mixtures properly.
And we're gonna wait a couple seconds for it to foam up. And right now I can see that it is bubbling. And we can see our mixture is slowly starting to rise and slowly expanding. And the color is slowly, distributing. And as you can see, the foam mixture is slowly expanding out of the cup, forming the mushroom.
After a while, the polyurethane foam will harden when it cools down.
And as this mixture is starting to form its correct shape, we will now make the foam soda.
The foam soda contains 5 milliliters of the two mixtures. We will now be pouring them into the other foam cup.
As you can see, I'm shaking the liquid because it's not pouring out. And I will now add red food coloring, but only 2, because since it's less than the foam mushroom. And I'll now mix it up with the wooden popsicle stick until it is uniform in the red pasty color. We will now wait as the foam soda rises.
While we wait for that, we will be looking at the other foam mushroom. It seems to have hardened.
And it feels soft but hard at the same time. And as we press on it, it seems as if it's expanding at the same time. So it's not yet formed.
As it continues to cool, it will harden even more.
Yes. We added 5 milliliters of part B and part A to this one, and 10 milliliters of part A and
And
B
part B.
in this one.
So that rose more rapidly than this.
Yes. And it seems as if the foam mushroom is still forming and slowly expanding. So that is our project.
Thank you.